So basically class, in our previous lecture we learned about Blue system, input stream reader and assignment statements also there. And in all systems, like if you are talking about Blue or if you are talking about scanner, like input stream reader, so there are some different ways, and with the help of these ways we can initialize our value. Like if you want to initialize a equals to 10, we have multiple ways. The first one is assignment statement is there for initializing value in the variable. Blue system is also there, and input stream reader is also there. And now in last we are going to discuss about scanner class, and we all know this is one of the most important class. And what in future, whatever program you will complete, all programs are written in the form of scanner class, or we can say that whatever values are there, all values are initialized in a variable according to scanner class. So let's see how we start this class. Basically, first of all, import is there. Import Java and then util. Okay. We all know about this one. This is our basic statement, and then we are going to write here public class, and the name of our class is suppose Falcon. It's totally depend on us what type of name we want. And then public static void main string args. Okay. And then scanner in equals to new scanner system dot in. So basically class, in argument system, in Blue system, in stream input stream reader, and now in scanner class. So in our previous ways, we was continuing all the time with the help of integer, character, string and integer. So in the same way, if you want to complete or if you want to understand scanner class, you need to continue, or you need to write your program by using integer, character, string and float. So now first of all we are going to write our program according to integer, that is called integer type or integer, using integer. So scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in, and then scanner in equals to new scanner system dot in. Just because of this statement, we can initialize values scanner class according to scanner class. In a, what does it mean? It means it is a is a type of integer variable, not only integer, array type integer variable. And now new in 5 is that course, and then suppose first of all what we do, we just initialize 5 values in a type array variable, and after initializing what we do, we just print our values. So now after this we will write here system dot out dot print and then enter any 5 numbers. Okay. And then what we do is write here for in I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus, and then a of I is equal to in dot next in. Okay. And then C class what happens? Scanner equal to new scanner system number 2, we all are very familiar about this one, and now we are going to creating a variable a, array type integer variable, and in this variable we can initialize, we can store 5 different values. It means there are 5 blocks are formed in this variable, array type variable. So now enter any 5 numbers. So what you see is entering 5 different numbers, like 10 enter, 12 enter, 17 enter, 100 enter, whatever number is there. So when you enter first number, then this loop runs first number of time and stores at the position of a of 0. If I am talking about a of I and it is 5, then it means total there are 5 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is a variable and this one is missing. Addressing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now suppose in first number of time you initialize 20. So at the position of a of 0 it is 20. Okay, and then the second number of time when I plus plus, so it stores a of 1, new value, a of 1 is 30, 40, 45, 50. So these numbers are there, and when I is equal to 5, so 5 is less than or equal to none, condition is false. So it runs address from 0 to 4, so 0 is first position, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is 5. So total 5 number of terms are there, or 5 values are there, 5 blocks are there. And we can store our value in this variable. So now see class, suppose now we are going to print these values. Okay, going to print these values. So what we do? So we are going to continue from here, and then again system dot out dot print ln enter, sorry, not enter yet, now we are going to write display 5 numbers, and then again for I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 4, and then I plus plus, and now after this system dot out dot print. We are not writing here ln. So what we are writing is system dot print a of I plus space is there, and this will be all. So see class how our output formed. If you are talking about output, now output are just like when you run this loop, then it display. First, what are you see in output? Enter any 5 numbers. After this, when you initialize 5 different numbers, then program itself print display 5 numbers, and then automatically this loop run 5 number of time from 0 to 4 and display 20 space 30 space 40 space 45 and then 50. Okay, so now this is your homework to complete the same program with initializing character value, string value and float value, and you are going to send the PDF of those programs also with these programs. Okay class, so if you all have any doubt, then you can ask me right now, or sorry, anytime, not possible right now.